Oh, you can still see me? I want to cool. What's up, guys? I'm doing another unbox. Oh, my address is right there, bro. What am I doing? Okay, well, here we go. We're gonna unbox this. I've always wanted one of these. It's a here. Let's unbox this really quick. Okay, guys. So this is. I don't know why they put it in like such a big freaking box, bro. Hopefully it's not like broken. But
money isn't everything. You think so?
This is gaming keyboard kits. Okay, this is a keyboard and a mouse, like a combo kind of thing. I saw it on freaking eBay and I was like, dude, this is freaking cheap, and I got a cop for sure. So I don't know. This thing was super cheap. It was literally like, I don't know, it was like $30 or something. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But my expectations are like in the middle right now because it looks like it's really good, but like it was really cheap, so I don't know how good it was. But when I open this, if it will open, oh, I see how it opens, like this, and it's upside down. It's upside down. Enjoy what? Wait, what does it say? Enjoy what I have. So that's pretty neat. If you can see that. And this is also by Havoc. That's the company name right there. I mean, it looks like the box looks pretty premium to me, but you never. Oh wow, wow, dude, what? This is unreal, bro. It comes with the keyboard and the mouse, and this looks like this looks pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And it comes with this user guide. Who needs a user guide to use a keyboard? You know what I mean, though. So yeah, dudes. I mean, this is actually really freaking nice, bro. I mean, that's nice. I mean, look at that. Like, that's freaking nice, dude. And this is all USB, so that's what I kind of knew that was gonna be USB. But basically, this is all supposed to light up once you connect it to a computer. It also has these like things so you can flip it up and angle it if you want it. I don't know, dude. Let's plug this thing in really quick. So oh, it's lit up, bro. It's lit. Legit. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, that is sick, dude. That is. So yeah, guys, as you can see, it's pretty lit around here. I mean, everything's working normally. This is pretty sick, dude. That's yo.
What's the matter with you?
That changes the colors. Okay, so once I press this, it changes the freaking colors. When I hit this, that's pretty neat. All right, guys. I think, to be honest with you guys, this is a really good deal for only like, it was literally $36 or something like that. I mean, I always wanted like a lit up keyboard because when I'm in the dark editing, that sounds kind of weird, but when I'm in the dark editing, I use this keyboard right here, which is, I love this keyboard as well because it's nice and like small and like, I don't know, it's really nice. It's the Apple keyboard thing, but yeah, I mean, I always wanted the keyboard to light up so I can actually see the keys when I'm typing something. So this is actually really nice, and I don't know, dude. I recommend it, to be honest. So yeah, guys, I'll put the link in the description if you want this. It comes in black and white, I believe. The white one is a little bit more expensive than the black. It's like $50, but it's like, I don't know. I was kind of leaning towards the white, but I was like, I don't know how good it's gonna be. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It really does help with the channel. And if you guys do like these unboxing videos, then please drop a like as well. It lets me know, and yeah, I like doing these videos. They're really fun. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Wait for me right here in the car. I won't be long. You're too late. Aisha is dead.
Wait here, I'll tell the sheep.